Tori Pendergast certainly excites when she races. There's a theme behind how she likes to do things, and it's just quick. A risk taker, her own admission, and attacks every course. In the first couple of days worth of competition, she's had missed out on a medal moment and a DNF, which Tori Pendergast have we got here. It was a great video of her school that she went to as a youngster, sending her a message of support, which brought tears to the eyes of Tori Pendergast. Great to know that these athletes are being watched back home by friends and family and colleagues. Well, Pendergast is slightly off the gas, as she would normally be, and will be very much outside of the times required. 1:44.49, but she goes through to the second phase of this super combined competition. Tori Pendergast of Australia had a hefty lead over Siton, but knowing Tori, she wouldn't have wanted to have been second from bottom after the first run. A determined 27-year-old will come out here with every intention of a much quicker time. You can only go out and try and get above the ones above you, so that will be Pendergast's next quest. Journey down a hill to go up a table. Pendergast in 2015 gives her a 2:41.37 combined time.